maybe we can give some tips to the DPO as well, that if they have events, right, and they do put up notifications telling the participants that there will be filming or photography. If the participants choose not to want to be in any of this footage or photographs, I believe that we have also created back in the days, pre-COVID days, when we had face-to-face events, like we would have a roll of sitting behind, like 1 or 2 rows of it. And also in the invitation, they could we allow them to tell us if they would give us their consent. And if not, then we will have them placed in those specific sitting area. Camera wouldn't be facing there, neither would the video camera be there as well, right? And I don't know if you call that, and we even have them wear a lanyard.
Yep.
So that white of a different color.
There's quite a lot of different things you can do. I think the biggest mistake I see people doing is getting a video or photograph consent up front. So they'll get it from the employee on the day that's their first day, or they'll get it from their members if they're a club or a VWO, they'll get it as part of the registration. And that's a really bad idea. For several reasons. 1, people forget that they've given it anyway, and then they complain. 2, if you get the consent, they've always got the right to withdraw their consent. So then you have to keep records.
Yeah.
And then a lot of the time, depending on what the event is, you're going to want to check, just as a customer relationship thing, you're going to want to check with the people that they're okay still with it getting published. So yeah, my advice always is to, if you include in the invitation, if it's an invitation event or a notice, videos or photographs will be taken. This is the purpose. If there's a registration desk, as there often is, have a notice there as a reminder. And then, yeah, depending on what it is people are doing, different color lanyards, you know, a red dot on their name badge, a different seating area. Have your photographers aware that if somebody says, no, I don't want to have my photo taken, don't press it.